Hi there! These vocal exercises are really helpful for beginner jazz singers. Now, the challenge with jazz is that there is lots of tricky movements. The intervals, that's the spaces between the notes, can be quite tricky and difficult to get at first. And it does take a lot of ear training and it takes a lot of practice. So the exercises that I'm going to share with you today are going to help you to gain vocal control, to understand how to move your voice around without it being clunky and feeling like you're changing gears the whole time, and to create nice smooth transitions between the notes. So we're going to start on the vowel sound, and the sounds are R, E, or oo. And it's going to sound like this. R, E, O, oo. So make sure it's nice and smooth, it's nice and balanced. Take a nice energetic breath and keep the same energy right the way through the exercise. So the same energy at the beginning, the middle, and right at the end. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. R, E, O, R, E, O, R, E, O, R, E, O, R, E, O. Back down. Keep the energy up as we go down in pitch. introduced very recently, in fact so recently that I have forgotten to do it in my last few videos, is letting you know how your band or your music can be featured on this channel. At the time of making this video, I have 5,000 subscribers and I have many thousands more viewers. So I currently have 11,000 daily viewers, so a lot of viewers, and you can get your band or your name featured on this channel. So why do I keep pulling my t-shirt? Now this t-shirt is a Bad Brains. This is a punk band. You may or may not know that I am a massive fan of punk. I've been in the punk scene for really decades, 32 or so years. Bad Brains are an African American punk band from the 1980s. If you're into punk music, or if you're into finding new music, into rock music, and you like to find some different music, or you have never listened to rock music and you like to broaden your horizons because it's a good thing to do as a musician, check out Bad Brains. Very popular band. Now, if you would like me to wear your t-shirt, or use one of your cups, or use some other merchandise, or feature your band on my channel, then put the links to your website, to your merchandise, to your music. I will listen, and if I like what I hear, I will buy a piece of merchandise to support you, and I will feature you in one of my videos. So I look forward to hearing from you. The next exercise will help your vocal agility. So that's your ability to move between notes quite quickly and smoothly. So it sounds like this. So the trick is to keep it nice and smooth, take a nice energetic breath, and keep a balanced breath out, a balanced exhalation as you go through the exercise. Here we go, 5, 6. If you find these exercises too fast, then go to the cog at the top of the border of the video, go to playback speed, and then turn the playback speed down so that it's easier for you to follow. If you're enjoying these exercises and they're helping you, remember to hit the like button, hit subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I know that a lot of people, about 80% of the people who are watching my videos and coming back to keep watching the videos, are not subscribers. Please subscribe, because it helps YouTube to understand that this is a helpful channel and useful channel, and it pushes it out to other singers so that we can help each other. Now, unfortunately, I can no longer answer questions in the comments because I just don't have the capacity anymore. But if you do have questions and you'd like to contact me directly, then join my WhatsApp group or the membership. The higher tier of the membership, the green room, if you join that, that gives you automatic access to my WhatsApp private community. But if you don't want to join the channel itself and you just like to join my WhatsApp community, then click the link in the description and you can join me there. And you can ask as many questions as many times as you like. You have direct access to me and to other members of the community and to some of my singers who are actually my private one-to-one students. The final exercise of this video is also for agility. I love this exercise. I used to do it with my singing teacher, Mary, who was my classical singing teacher. And it's really good for all types of singers, but particularly for jazz singers, because it helps you to get those intervals and the fast movements. And if you like doing riffs, this is really going to help you. So I recommend starting on oo or e as they're nice small vowels, and then as you as you improve your skill, open it up to R. And it sounds like this. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7. Ooh. Last one. So I hope that has helped you. If you've enjoyed this video, remember to click the hype button as well for small channels like myself. So when you click that hype button, it doesn't cost you anything. It gives the video points. It doesn't cost you any points. And it's another way to help YouTube to understand that this is a helpful video. I look forward to seeing you very soon. Stay hydrated. Ciao!